Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to allow notifications for calls on the WhatsApp app for PC. If you've recently updated WhatsApp and noticed that you're not getting alerts when someone tries to call you, don't worry. I'll guide you through the new settings so you never miss an important call again. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and can see your chat list, just like you normally would when you open the app. Next, take a look at the bottom left of the screen. You'll notice a small gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up your settings menu, where you can manage all the preferences for notifications, chat, and more. Now, from the list of options, select Notifications. This is where you can control how WhatsApp alerts you whenever you get a message, sound, or call. Inside Notifications, you'll see several toggles and sections. Here's the important part. Look for the section dedicated to calls. By default, after the new update, this option may be turned off, which is why you might not have been seeing those notifications. Simply enable the calls toggle by clicking on it. Once switched on, WhatsApp will immediately start sending you alerts whenever someone calls you on the desktop app. After you've enabled it, you can also customize whether you want a sound with the notification or just a silent alert. This way, you can set it up exactly how you want, depending on whether you prefer a quiet workspace or audible call alerts. And that's it, you're all set. From now on, whenever someone calls you through WhatsApp, you'll see a notification pop up instantly on your PC, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Keeping these settings adjusted after each update is always a good idea, since new WhatsApp versions sometimes reset or shift certain features. So, now you know exactly where to find the call notifications toggle and how to make sure it's always working. Thanks for watching.